Hi, I'm Jennifer and I'm so happy you're here today for the Autumn Pumpkins Tier Tray Styling Collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Hosting channels are May's Design Corner, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Jean Home Decor and more, Barbie Daily Rural Life in the Valley, Debbie Bubbles, Donna Decor and more, and me, Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out all of these participating channels and any other participating channels listed below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. The cookies are all done and now it's time for me to get them all packaged up for gift giving. I am so excited to decorate my tier tray with a pumpkin design for fall. I'm going to be decorating my tier tray with pumpkin treats. I just made these wonderful, delicious, soft, chewy pumpkin Snicker Doodle Cookies. I'll drop these pumpkin Snicker Doodle Cookies into a cute, adorable bag for fall, and then I'll tie on a ribbon. I'm going to add this really cute pumpkin pot holder that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to tuck it right here in the back. I have this super cute jar of candy corn and I'm going to put this right on the side of the tray. I'll place these cookies right along on the side. This white pumpkin will sit perfectly right on the top. Another bag of cookies will fit nicely right on the back of the second level down. I purchased these brownie pumpkins because they're so cute and they'll be perfect on my 3-tier tray. I have an adorable little jar of candy pumpkins. These are the Brach's candy pumpkins that come out every fall. And now to add a little more color, I'm going to add in some beautiful sunflowers. And then just a couple other flower accents. And here is our wonderful pumpkin tier tray. I put this together in no time and it was so much fun. It's full of delicious treats for fall. Little pumpkins and pumpkin snickerdoodle cookies, and of course the wonderful fall pumpkin brownies. I am so happy you're here. I had such a wonderful time decorating my tier tray with adorable little pumpkin cookies, brownies, and little candies. I would be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe, and don't forget to check out all of the other participating channels listed below. I'll see you next time.